Medyo bumagal, coach, no, itong opensa ng Quezon City ng second quarter.
Medyo nag-back down nung nagpalit sila ng tao.
Innings nila, no, itong Quezon City. Parang hindi sila yung naglaro noong previous game nila. The minutes gone by here in the first. And the layup, it's in. Para kay Cooper Garces, 4 points. Espinosa picks it up.
Nice.
Garces na naman. Oh my! Cooper Garces.
Pero ganda no. Follow up, no? Taas ng talon niya doon.
Cooper Garces binigay sa ilalim. Minutes of action. Let's take a look at the Chef's Magic first quarter highlights. It was a showdown right from the bat from these two teams. Ang bilis ng aksyon, ang bilis ng